What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make some delicious hummus. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, there are 6 basic ingredients to hummus. I'm going to give you those first, and then I'm going to tell you afterwards what I'm going to add to it for this recipe. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is 16-ounce can of garbanzo beans, or chickpeas they're also called. We're going to drain those and we're going to peel them as well. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 large cloves of garlic, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You're also going to need a juice from 1 lemon. Now, if you don't have a lemon and you have concentrate, you could use 3 tablespoons of concentrate to equal the juice of 1 lemon, 1 medium-sized lemon. And you're going to need 6 tablespoons of tahini. I know you're probably asking, what in the world is tahini? Well, tahini is a paste that's made from crushed, roasted sesame seeds. It's got like the consistency of a peanut butter almost. And you can find it in most grocery stores. My wife found the tahini that I'm using. She found it at Publix, which is a local grocery store here. You can also, for you Amazon addicts, you can also buy some on Amazon, and it's not very expensive. I think it was about $10 for a jar of it, a decent sized jar. Okay, after you've blended those 5 or 6 basic ingredients together, the flavor possibilities are almost endless. I mean, some of my favorites though are jalapenos, green olives, black olives, red roasted peppers. You can add just about anything to this dip, and it's just wonderful. But like I said, one of my favorites is jalapenos, and that's what we're going to add to it today. Is I have jalapenos that I picked from the garden this weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and add those to the recipe. So, anyways, let's get started. So you can see here, the chickpeas have a skin on them, and you want to get the skin off. Okay, first you want to drain the peas and put them in a pot of water or a bowl, and then you just want to work them like this. You just want to rub them together, and the skins will come off of the peas, and they'll float in the water, and then you can just scoop them up and separate them. Okay, at this point, all you need to do is combine your ingredients. We got the 16 ounces of chickpeas. We have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, whoops, 2 cloves of garlic. I put 3 cloves of garlic in here. They're not very big, so I added an extra one in there. Whoops. Keep doing that. And 6 tablespoons of tahini. Now these are the basic ingredients for hummus. You can actually just use these ingredients and make your hummus and eat them with pretzels or corn chips or pita bread, whatever you want to eat it with. But you can add just about anything else to it. And today we're going to add some jalapenos from my garden and some cumin, which is really good in here. Okay. That's the basic ingredients right there. Now, like I said, we're going to add about approximately a half a cup of jalapenos. Now, these jalapenos I picked from the garden this weekend. And all I did was cut the stems off of them. And I'm leaving the seeds and everything on them. If you decide to de-seed them, your peppers, if you do peppers, always wear gloves. People think you don't need to, but always wear gloves with your peppers when you're handling peppers, because if you touch your eyes or anything else, it's gonna burn. Now I got a 1.5 teaspoons of cumin I'm gonna add to this, and we're gonna go ahead and you put that in your favorite food processor or blender or what have you. I have a Ninja Neutral blender, and we're gonna mix it in that. Slice that baby down. Let me get it in front where you can see it. Okay. And now it's time to mix this up. Now it's time to taste this stuff. Oh my goodness, this stuff smells so good. And I've eaten this before, this same recipe, and it's delicious. Oh, by the way, these are my favorite chips to eat this hummus on. But I mean, you can use whatever you want. Pita chips, tortilla chips, whatever you want to try it on. It's really good. I'm gonna take this blade thingy out. And I'm sure I'm gonna have a mess to clean up in a little bit. I'll put this on here. Oh my goodness, I cannot tell you guys. I can't explain how good this smells. I mean, it really smells so good. And look, this stuff is so creamy. I mean, it is so creamy. And it smells so good. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right here. And wait, one more little scoop. I'm gonna have to get the rest of it out, but before I do it, I gotta taste this. I mean, it smells so good. It really smells so good. I can't hardly stand it. Let's try some. Let's get one of these. Oh my goodness. These are just flat pretzels, and they are so good. Oh my God. Oh. This stuff is awesome. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.